Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change video perspective in CapCut. To change the video perspective in CapCut, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you want to do is, first thing, you want to log into your CapCut account. Once logged in, you will then be taken to this sort of interface, right? So here you want to actually go ahead and log in. You could go with the existing project or you could just click on new project. I'm just gonna go with the new project. This is going to be the one. Click on add. As you've added the project, now to change the video perspective, you could actually go ahead and add a background first thing. And so in my case, I'm just gonna keep my background black. Once you've actually added it, now select the timeline and then you simply want to go to this animation section. At the top, you could also find different options such as in, out, and combo, right? You want to go to the combo section. Now, most of these are the pro version. You could actually go ahead and select the ones that is free. You could scroll down right to the bottom and you could go ahead and locate any of these, whichever is not a pro version, and you could select it. So now you could see this is how it's going to look like. So this is the way it actually changes the perspective. If you're sure about it, click on the tick button, and now if you go and try playing the video, you could actually see it. So here you could see this is how it's gonna look like. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.